guys, that's it. We didn't get the fish, but again, reminding you all, per row for an hour, one person, and it's amazing. It's an amazing. Good guys, this is Zubin from Team Zubinology. We are in Jumeirah for kayaking. So everyone will be thinking like, kayaking and a video. We have seen lots of videos, but this is not just kayaking. This is kayaking with fishing. We are in Jumeirah beach side. Exact location I would be sharing below and all the details of how much is it. But let's experience how it is. And then you guys can decide whether you guys want to go for this or not. So let's look at the boat first. Come on, guys. I mean, not the boat, the kayaking. There you go. This is what we are using. Me and my brother-in-law is the one gonna use this. So here we have, I don't know how this is when we use it. They said we have to use our leg and we don't have to use this. And the steering is some knob. This is the only things I know. And that's where we'll go now. So let's see how this is gonna happen and take place.
Ma'am, sir.
Mr. Jamal.
Hi, boy.
Thank you. So what do we need to do?
Have a seat, please.
Okay, just hold. Like this. Okay. Oops. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes. This will be kept like this. What is the charge for this one boat?
Charge?
Yeah.
Yeah, 80 dirham per hour.
80 dirham per hour.
Yes.
And we get fish there for sure?
Yeah, inshallah.
Inshallah. You're from?
Egypt.
Egypt. MashaAllah. That's what is happening, guys. Is
Remove again, sir.
Yes. Again removed.
Red light blink ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്.
We are actually now going, and this is the exact, we have the steering here. Look, this is the steering. That's nice. Oopsie. Okay. Fish. Okay. Bada vishala. There is ice of fishes. There you go. You can see. Oh, tiny fishes are there. There are lots. There are lots of fish down, but the problem is, here you go. It's really hot. Okay guys, the thing is that it is 80 dirhams per hour and we have almost completed 20 minutes. And the thing is, they gave us the fishing rod, but the next thing is I think we have to bring something to feed the fish. They'll come to the hook. So that's got. Yeah, I'm here chicken. Anyways, it's a very good experience and there are lots of people out here doing the same, and we are right at 3 p.m. now. Here's the time. Look, the time is exactly 3 p.m. and it's very hot. So we'll go. Actually, it's very easy to do, and the water level is up to the hip only for adults. For kids also we have seen, even kids are there. So it's not big rocket science sort of a thing. There is a lot of There's a lot of shade here. Yeah, there are lots of fish. There are lots of fish. The only thing is we have to feed them with something. So now what is happening is he is adding some hot dog to the rod, and after that we will try once again. അല്ല ഇനി പിടിച്ചോ അനക്ക് എളുപ്പം എൻ്റെ വീഡിയോ എടുക്കാൻ മോനെന്തായാലും അന്നെ ഇടുന്ന് ഇറക്കണം ഇനി. So it is starting now. We will go and we will see whether we can find the fish. We have put some fish and we are going back. So my brother-in-law is there busy. ഇത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ വിശക്കും. അപ്പോൾ എന്തായാലും ഇജാസെ പോ. Pere, push me. Push me, Pere, push me. Thank you. Thank you. Come on, let's chase. Now we will find. Ta-da-dan. Very close call and we have put it. Now we don't know whether we'll get or not. We have put some fish. Now we'll have to wait and check. Come on, 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 come on. Ipadalla. Wait, fish we will check the place where we have more fish, and that's our only option now. And we are going. Yes. Yo, come. Yo, honey singer. Yes. No one is eating. No one needs fish. Yes. Boys. Come on. Oh my God, no. Yes. Have it, boys. No. We have to go back. Come on. You have to go back again. But so exact location is, as I mentioned earlier, it is in Jumeirah, and they call my brother-in-law calls it Secret Beach. I don't know why. Maybe secrets are happening out here. And hope you enjoyed this video, and more information you can ask me in the comment box below. 80 dirhams per row for an hour, one person, and it's amazing. It's an amazing experience. And there you go, exact Bulgari bridge downstairs is where this is, and everything is over here. If you want to book, I'll also keep the contact details.